Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be a quick review and demo of the Superone Magsafe Slim Fit Gradient Colored Case. Now, this is a gradient color, meaning it's blue and or it's purple. It sort of depends on how the light hits it. I don't know how well you can see it there. I would say the base color is blue. It looks more blue, but then at certain angles, because of that gradients, you get more of a purplish color. So I thought it was a really cool case. I was looking for one that looked cool, but also was MagSafe, and this is a MagSafe case as well. It's a very slim fit case, but it is military grade shockproof protection. It's basically a hard back and then kind of the plastic, slightly softer plastic sides. And then you have just a little bit extra protection on the corners. Not a really thick case, more of a slim case so that it doesn't add a lot of bulk to your phone. You do have raised edges around the camera and slightly around the screen and all the right cutouts. So let's get my phone in there so we can kind of see what it looks like on the phone. Phone goes on there pretty easily, or in there pretty easily, and you can kind of see you've got that slight raised edge all the way around the front. So even if I lay my phone flat, you're going to have a slight edge that's higher than the screen, so that's good. Looking on the back, same thing with that camera. You can see you've got that slightly raised, and you can kind of see more of the purple sheen from this angle. But you can see the slightly raised edge. So that's slightly higher than the camera lenses, so that even if you lay your phone down flat, your camera lenses are protected. Taking a quick look at the button, just a slight raised button there. And you can kind of again see more purpley here, more blue here because of that gradient, just because of the way the light's hitting it. And then on the other side, you've got that two slightly raised buttons for your volume rocker and easy access to your vibrate switch. Then down on the bottom you've got cutouts for your speaker and cutouts for your lightning charging port. So very kind of sleek, slim fit case, which is what I was looking for. Didn't want to add a lot of bulk to my phone, but wanted something that would look good. If I'm going to put a case on my phone, I want it to look cool and look different, unique, and you get that with this. Let's just really quick check out the MagSafe part and make sure that works the way that you would expect. So you can see I've got the MagSafe Charger there, and you can see, put the phone on there, and there you go. It works with the MagSafe Charger just like you would expect it to. So you can see the MagSafe case is working as expected, and just a really good looking, protective, slim fit case from Superone. Definitely a case that I would recommend.